In this video, I want to show you how easy it is to use a costycnc machine. For example, is it difficult to make a small polystyrene confetti box with the costycnc? Let's see how it works. If you want to try the program for yourself, you can use the demo version at the address. Let's open it and click on the text menu. A window will appear where we can write something. I'll write the word auguri. We can make the text bigger by using the font size slider. And with the horizontal and vertical sliders, we can move the text away from the edges of the window. With the black outline thickness slider, we increase the outline of the letters. Then with the white outline thickness slider, we increase the white border until we get the thickness we want for our shape. Choose the white brush and make it a bit larger. With it, we can clean up any areas we don't want. Small black spots, sharp corners, or anything not needed. When the shape is ready, we can right-click and choose Copy. Now you can paste it into the costycnc program and cut it directly. Or you can paste it into Paint and save the file for later. Just open Paint, click the selection tool, right-click, paste, and save the file. Let's go back to our text. Now we turn off the white outline and turn off the white fill so we only see the black outline. Right-click, copy it, and again you can cut it now or save it for later. Back to the text window again. This time select the outer stroke to remove it and adjust the outline thickness to your liking. This version can also be copied or saved. Now we have 3 files ready for cutting. Next, we can start the cutting process. In the MKS DLC32 program, move the machine a bit to make sure everything responds correctly. Open costycnc image to G-code and G-code sender by clicking the costycnc button. Load one of the files you saved earlier and save the generated G-code onto the SD card. Start the cut. Then flip the polystyrene piece, load the outline file, save it to the SD card, and cut it. Finally, load the text file and cut it in the same way as before. After all pieces are cut, trim anything that needs trimming. Set the hot wire to 100% and make your final manual cuts. Once everything is ready, you can add glitter, paint, and so on, but that part is not in this video. This video is just to show how easy it is to work with a costycnc machine even if you have no advanced experience. I hope this was helpful. If you have questions or other problems, leave a comment and we'll try to solve them together. See you in the next video.